English teacher from Takshila Model Senior Secondary School. You all are welcome back in today's class. In today's class, we are going to learn about letter writing. And in letter writing, the topic of the letter is informal letter. What is informal letter? Informal letter means when we write our letters to our known, to our relatives, to our friends, to the person who is close to us, right? The person who is close to us. So we write the informal letter. Simply means where we don't do show off, where we don't have to do formality. Clear? So we write these letters to our relatives, friends and the close one, the person who are close to us. So today we are going to learn how to write informal letter. First, we are going to learn the format of letter. Okay, now come to the letter. Format of letter. So, how to write the letter? Okay, children, most of you are not aware that in earlier time we used to write letter. Nowadays, people send message. आपने देखा होगा कि आज के टाइम में लोग मैसेज भेजते हैं फोन पे, राइट, व्हाट्सएप, टेक्स्ट, ईमेल, राइट. बट पहले टाइम में क्या होता था? देयर वाज नो व्हाट्सएप, नो ईमेल राइटिंग, सो पीपल यूज्ड टू कम्युनिकेट थ्रू द लेटर राइटिंग. सो इट इज द वन वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. ये एक कम्युनिकेशन का वे है. सो व्हेन वी हैव टू कम्युनिकेट विद अनदर पर्सन, अगर हमें किसी पर्सन से बात करनी है जो पर्सन दूर रहता है हमसे, राइट, द पर्सन हु इज लिविंग फार अवे फ्रॉम अस, सो हाउ विल वी कन्वे अ मैसेज? हम उसको अपना मैसेज कैसे कन्वे करेंगे? सो पहले लोग लेटर राइटिंग लिखते थे. इट इज प्रेजेंट नाउ ऑल्सो, राइट, आज भी लिखते हैं. सो वी विल ऑल्सो राइट लेटर टू आवर क्लोज वन, टू आवर रिलेटिव्स, टू आवर फ्रेंड्स. सो टुडे वी विल लर्न हाउ टू राइट. Okay, format of letter. Sender's address. Sender's address means a person who is sending this letter address. Okay, means I am sending this letter or suppose you are sending this letter. So आप letter लिख रहे हैं तो यहाँ पर किसका एड्रेस आएगा? Sender's address. Means a person who is writing a letter. Suppose you are writing letter to your grandmother who lives in the village. तो आप अपना एड्रेस यहाँ फर्स्ट मेंशन करेंगे. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू मेंशन योर ओन एड्रेस. आपका एड्रेस मेंशन किया जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाउस नंबर 202, राइट. अगर आप किसी ब्लॉक में रहते हैं, सेक्टर में, देन यू विल राइट सेक्टर 9 Faridabad. Right? House number 202, sector 9, Faridabad. So first you will write your address. And then after writing the address, we will leave one line. Then we will write date. Okay? After leaving one line, we will write date. So how will we write date? Suppose we are writing today. Okay? So 6th July. 2020. Children, the most important thing is that why do we write date? We write date so that people get to know when this letter has been sent to them. अगर हम डेट नहीं लिखेंगे तो उनको कैसे पता चलेगा ये लेटर कौन सी डेट को आया था? क्या ये लेटर ओल्ड है, ये न्यू है, राइट? सो डेट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. थ्रू डेट ओनली पीपल गेट टू नो कि व्हेन दिस लेटर हैज बीन सेंट, कि लेटर कब सेंट हुआ है. क्लियर? एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट we never write date like this 6, 7, 20, 20. Okay, no, this is not an appropriate way to write date in the letter. So आप इस तरीके से date नहीं लिखेंगे. What is the correct date, right? And the name of the month and then year. Clear? Day, month and year. Clear? Okay, now we come to the greeting part. Greeting means wish. Like suppose you go to a guest like uncle's house और किसी भी रिलेटिव्स के घर जाते हैं, डोंट यू विश देम, आप उनको विश नहीं करते हो, ग्रीट नहीं करते हो, राइट? सो यहाँ पर भी हम किसको ग्रीट कर रहे हैं? जिसको हम लेटर लिख रहे हैं। अब यहाँ पे ग्रीट मीन्स हम किसको एड्रेस कर रहे हैं, ये लेटर, हम लेटर किसको लिख रहे हैं। क्लियर? रिसिपिएंट्स नेम यहाँ पर आएगा, जो ये लेटर रिसीव करेगा, रिसिपिएंट्स नेम विल कम हियर। ग्रीट मीन्स हम उसको ग्रीट करके, किसको ग्रीट करेंगे? जिसको हम ये लेटर लिख रहे हैं। सो हियर वी विल राइट ग्रीट डियर अंकल, friend, mom, grandpa, so children it depends कि आप लेटर किसको लिख रहे हैं. So accordingly you will write. अगर if you are writing this letter to your uncle, so you will write dear uncle, friend, dear friend, or dear mom, dear grandpa. Clear? But if you can write like your friend name, you are writing this letter to your friend. So what can you do? You can write your friend name also, like dear Anuj, dear Anjali, dear Dev, dear Deepak, right? Dear Dhruv, dear Prerna. Any name you can write. Means जो भी आपका best friend है, जो भी आपका friend है जिसको आप ये letter लिख रहे हैं, so आप यहाँ पर उसका name भी लिख सकते हैं. It is clear? Okay. Now we come to the next point. Body. Body is very important part of the letter. In this body we write the message. Message means कि हम जो लेटर लिख रहे हैं उस लेटर का मैसेज क्या है, उस लेटर में जो भी हम अपनी बात कन्वे कर रहे हैं, हम अपना मैसेज कन्वे कर रहे हैं, दैट कम्स इन दी बॉडी पार्ट. सो बॉडी में क्या आता है, हमारा मैसेज आता है कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मैसेज आर वी गोइंग टू कन्वे, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ information are we going to give to that person. Maybe it can be message, it can be like invitation, right? So here we will write the information or message. Okay, now we come to the closing. Closing means ending, right? Close. अब हमने अपना मैसेज लिख दिया, we have conveyed our message, and then we will close this letter. Close means अब now we will finish this letter. So how will we close it? Closing can come yours lovingly, yours love, yours affectionately, yours truly we can write. Clear? And the most important things, when you write this, Y will be capital. First letter here, Y will be capital. Remember these things. Y will be capital. Clear? Now sender's name. And then you will write your sender's name. Sender's means who is sending this letter. So again I am telling you कि sender's name में क्या आएगा, जो ये letter send कर रहा है. Clear? So you will write your name, Anjali, Riya, Deepak, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. Clear? So here you will write your name. Okay class. Now what do you have to do? You have to write down this as it is in your notebook. Okay? Okay class. We will write a letter. Okay? Now this letter you have to note down in your notebook. Write a letter to your best friend to invite him to your sister's wedding. So class, you are going to invite your friend, right, on your sister's wedding. So how you are going to write a letter to him or her? First, house number 4/63, New Friends Colony, Sector 8, Faridabad. Children, this is just a random address I have written. You can write your own address. You can write any address. Clear? So here it will be the sender's address. So आपने यहाँ क्या करना है, senders का address लिखना है, means the person who is sending this letter, right? So you will write the address. After that you will leave one line. I have already explained that you will leave one line, and then date. And after writing the date, again you will leave one line. Children, I don't have much space. Clear? So you will leave one line, and then you will write the greeting. Clear? Clear? Right? And then we are going to write the body. By the time, first note down the question and this part in your notebook quickly. Now this is your body part. Body part includes your message or information you are going to convey. Means आप इस लेटर में क्या मैसेज या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन कन्वे कर रहे हैं अपने क्लोज वन को, राइट? सो you will be happy to know that my elder sister marriage will be held on 18th July 2020. You are invited to attend the ceremony. Please come with uncle and aunt. Don't forget to Nikhil. I will be waiting for your arrival. Convey my best regards to your uncle and aunt. It means you are inviting, you will be happy to know that my elder sister marriage is there, and when it is on 18th July. Okay, so you are invited with your family. Okay, so you are invited for the ceremony, means for the party or ceremony you are invited. आप अपने friend को invite कर रहे हैं. Please come with uncle and aunt. So आप क्या कह रहे हैं कि uncle and aunt means family के साथ आना है, uncle और aunt को भी साथ लाना है, right? Don't forget to Nikhil. निखिल को लाना मत भूलना. Why? Nikhil can be your means your friend's brother or cousin, whatever. Nikhil can be your friend's brother, right? So don't forget to Nikhil. It means कि निखिल को भी लाना मत भूलना. Okay? I will be waiting for your arrival. मैं तुम्हारे आने का वेट करूँगा. Convey my best regards to uncle and aunt. और uncle and aunt को मेरा best regards convey करना. Clear? I hope this is clear to you. Okay, now we will go for the ending. This was the message, this was the body, and now we will close the letter. So by the time, note down this part in your notebook. Clear? Yeah. Okay class, now yours affectionately. This is your closing, right? This is your closing. I have told you how to close the letter, right? This is your closing. Yours affectionately, clear? And sender's name. Clear? Clear? Complete this in your notebook. Clear? Now write down yours affectionately and Priyansh. Okay class, now we come to the homework. So the previous format and the letter you will note down in your notebook, and one homework I am going to give you. This homework will not go in your PDF. Clear? So write down the homework. Write a letter to your best friend telling him or her about your visit to an international book fair. Also tell him the benefits of reading books. So आप यहाँ पे अपने friend को letter लिख रहे हैं in which you are going to write that you have visited an international book fair. आप एक international book fair में visit किया था आपने, ठीक है? आप उसके बारे में describe करेंगे अपने friend को, and then also tell him the benefits of reading books. और उसको reading books के benefits भी बताएंगे. Clear? I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you. So by the time, note down this question. Thank you.